In today's world, we hear a lot about the Internet of Things, or IoT. But what is IoT exactly? IoT refers to the network of physical objects and devices that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity in order to share data over the Internet. It helps us gather information about the world and all the things in it to understand how things are working, or just as importantly, why they're not. And it's not just for consumer goods like thermostats and refrigerators. Many different industries benefit from IoT. Take smart grids, for example. Using IoT, energy providers are able to operate much more efficiently and reliably, which creates happier customers and increased profit. But as you can imagine, these sensors generate a ton of data, and most companies struggle to turn the data into actionable insights. So they continue to capture and store it, but have no idea how to extract value. This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is the use of a combination of data and statistical models to make predictions. And all that sensor data that companies are storing is great for training machine learning models. With the Spark Predict product, we've helped companies not just run turbines more efficiently, but predict previously unknown catastrophic failure events before they happen. These are events that subject matter experts and original equipment manufacturers have never seen before, so there aren't any preventative maintenance or repair guides available when the event occurs. And this is a huge opportunity for companies investing in IoT. The good news is IoT and machine learning can work together across a number of different industries, such as manufacturing, finance, or oil and gas. With a continuous rise in data being collected from IoT devices, machine learning is well suited to harness this sensor data to drive real business value today. To explore how IoT and machine learning can help your business, contact us at info@sparkcognition.com.